Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see Python programming questions. These questions are very important for interview. So let's start. Question number 1. Pickle model accepts any Python object and convert it into string representation and dumps it into a file by using dump function. This process is called pickling. True or false? And yes, it's correct. This process is known as pickling. So option A, true, is correct answer. What is PEP8? Options are coding convention, compilers, hardware, none of the above. PEP8 is a coding convention used in Python programming. So option A, coding convention is correct answer. Bash is a programming language with objects, modules, threads, exceptions, and automatic memory management. Options are C++, B, Python, C, Java, C, all of the above. And correct answer is B, Python. While the process of retrieving original Python objects from the stored string representation is called. Options are interpretation, compilation, pickling, and the unpickling. And correct answer is D, unpickling. See, while the process of retrieving the original Python object. See here we are retrieving the original Python object from the stored string. So answer is D, unpickling. The allocation of Python heap space for Python objects is done by Python. Options are heap, B, interpreter, C, floating point, D, memory manager. And correct answer is D, memory manager. The allocation of Python heap space for Python object is done by Python memory manager. What are the tools that help to find bugs or perform static analysis? Options are PyChecker, B, Pylint, C, both of the above, and D, none of the above. And correct answer is C, both of the above. We are using the PyChecker as statistic analysis tool, and also we are using the Pylint. A dash is a specific change that we make in a Python syntax to alter function easily. Options are A, Python decorator, B, function, C, implementation, D, none. And correct answer is A, Python decorator. Next question. Lambda is a single expression dash function often used as inline function. See, we are using the lambda, okay, as a single expression. Options are A, anonymous, B, nested, C, inner, D, duplicate. And correct answer is A, anonymous. In a Python, iterators are used to iterate a group of elements, containers like list, true or false. And correct answer is A, true. A mechanism to select a range of items from sequence types like list, tuple, strings, etc. is known as C. A mechanism to select a range of items from a sequence. Here we are selecting range of items from the sequence. Sequence maybe it is a list, tuple, string, etc. And correct answer is for this is B, slicing. Question number 11. A Python documentation string is known as. Options are A, structure, B, nowdoc, C, docstring, D, heredoc. And correct answer is C, docstring. Here we are using the docstring function. To copy an object in a Python, you can try function. You can use the function copy, B, object.copy, C, copy equals to copy, D, copy.copy. And correct answer is D, copy.copy function is used to copy an object in Python. In order to convert a number into into string. Here we are converting the number into string. Use the inbuilt function. Integer.parsing, integer.string, C str the integer, and correct answer is C str. To convert a number into string, you can use the function str. Which of the following return the list and uses the same memory and no matter what the range size is? Options are A. Range function, option B. X-range function, C. Both range and X-range, and D. None of the above, means not a range or X-range. And correct answer is A. We are using the range function. Question number 15. Each Python program file is a module which imports other modules like objects and attributes. It's true or false or maybe or can't. Correct answer is A. True. Each Python program is a module which imports other modules like objects and attributes. Thank you. Thank you everyone. If you have any query regarding this video, please type it in a comment box. If you want any other video, please type in the comment box.